Introduction to automated emails from Teams.
Automated emails can help you stay on top of important updates and streamline communication in Microsoft Teams. By linking Teams actions to email notifications, you can ensure that the right people get timely information without manual effort. Let's explore how to set up this integration using basic tools that don't require advanced coding skills.
What you need to get started.
To trigger emails from Teams actions, you'll need access to Microsoft Teams and an integration platform like Microsoft Power Automate. Power Automate lets you connect various services like Teams and Outlook to automate workflows. A valid Microsoft 365 account will give you the permissions needed to use these tools.
How triggers work in Microsoft Teams.
In automation, a trigger is an event that starts a workflow. For Teams, triggers could be a new message in a channel, a mention, or even the creation of a new task. Each of these triggers can initiate an automated action, such as sending an email notification in a connected system like Outlook.
Building an email automation in Power Automate.
Open Power Automate and choose Create a Flow. Select a Teams-based trigger, like when a new message is posted to a channel. Next, add an action that sends an email, such as send an email V2 in Outlook. Customize the recipient, subject, and body based on your needs. Then save and activate the flow.
Tips for customizing and managing notifications.
Tailor your flows to avoid notification overload. Use conditionals to email only when messages contain specific keywords or when sent to certain channels. Test your automations to confirm they work as intended, and keep flows updated as your team's usage or requirements change.
Summary: boost productivity with automation.
Triggering automated emails from Teams actions is a powerful way to boost productivity and response times. With Microsoft Power Automate, you can quickly set up reliable notifications that keep everyone informed, making teamwork more efficient and hassle-free.